Yes. I would have liked to have seen them get their adjournment until January, because the superseding indictment, they've only had very short time. In fact, Julian hasn't seen it in its completeness yet.
Did you get a good look at him this afternoon?
Yeah, I got a better look. He looks pretty white, no sun in jail.
I think he suffered.
I think, it's 9 years, or it's 11 years arbitrary detention. There's one report on privacy, the rapporteur on privacy, on the surveillance of Julian. There's one report from the rapporteur on torture, which the preamble goes, "Before our eyes we witness a slow murder." Well, that's more or less what's happened to Julian.
When was the last time you spoke to him?
Do you think it's fair to describe it as torture? What's happening to him?
Yes, psychological torture before there's no end, and it's now 11 years. And everything that he predicted, which was denied in the press and so on by politicians, everything he predicted that would happen to him has unfolded before us. And it's still going. This is the 11th year. I expect another 2 years. For the United Kingdom, the administration of justice to be seen administering justice fairly, and for the people of the United Kingdom to know that their laws are obeyed, we hope that it's a fair court and that Julian won't be extradited. But I feel sure at the High Court they'll make the proper decision and defend the United Kingdom and the court system and the law.
In fact, I'm speaking to somebody from one of we were concerned by the judge's decision not to grant the adjournment request. The defense has made it clear that they have not had time to adequately consult with and prepare with their client and prepare for this case. We're very concerned that Mr. Assange himself has still not apparently had access to in Belmarsh prison the entire new extradition request. So this is just one in a long line of irregularities and due process violations that we have monitored in this case. We call again for Julian Assange to be released, for the charges against him to be dropped, and for him not to be extradited to the United States.
Thank you.